Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'll show you this beautiful big size flower. I hope you'll like this video and you can make it very easily. For this flower I use multicolor yarn and hook. I'm doing 5 chain and 1 slip stitch for make a chain ring. Now 6 chain and 1 double crochet. Now 3 chain and 1 double crochet. Total 6 times. I'm maintaining the same stitch. This is the final one, number 6. So I make a slip stitch. I make another slip stitch and 2 chain and 3 double crochet. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet and 3 double crochet. And 1 single crochet. Now I go to the another space and 1 single crochet, 2 chain and 3 double crochet. So I'm maintaining the same stitch until finish this round. I finish this round, so I make a single crochet. Now I'll make 4 chain, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1 single crochet. From back side of flower. Again I'm doing 4 chain and 1 single crochet. 6 times I'll maintaining the same stitch. My 6 time is complete, so I make a slip stitch. Now you can see the first round over here. Now I'll make 3 chain and 6 double crochet. And 1 single crochet. I go to the next space and 1 single crochet, 2 chain and 6 double crochet. And 1 single crochet. So I make this round, second round, you can see. Now I am doing a 5 chain and a 1 single crochet, and again 5 chain and 1 single crochet, so total 6 times. I finish 6 times. Now I make a slip stitch, I make a 2 chain and 8 double crochet, now I go to the another space and 1 single crochet, 2 chain and 8 double crochet. So I'm maintaining the same stitch until finish this round. I finish this round. Now I am doing 6 chain and 1 single crochet. And 6 chain, 1 single crochet 6 times. So I finish 6 times. Now 2 chain and 10 double crochet. Now 1 single crochet and go to the another space, 1 single crochet, 2 chain and 10 double crochet. So I'm maintaining the same stitch until finish this round. I finish this round. I make a slip stitch and 1 chain. Now I cut the yarn. I do locking by this big needle, extra yarn, so it will be more stronger and nice. I got the extra yarn. So this is the final look. This flower you can see is so big and very pretty, very beautiful color combination. That's why I like rainbow color. This is multicolor, so many color in one yarn. I love that. I hope you like too. Put one stone in middle of the flower so it will be more gorgeous and more beautiful. This stone is look like a diamond, so I love it. I put some glue the middle of the flower, then I'll put the stone. Now I put the stone a little bit pressure on it. And you can see how beautiful this flower. And thank you so much for watching my video, and please subscribe my channel. Take care. Bye.